Hello everyone, hope you're all okay. Right, I've got an unboxing to do today for Inloveartshop. They've asked me back again, so I have taken them out of the bag and had a quick look. So thank you ever so much, Inlovearts. I really appreciate you asking me again. This is the 5th time. Right, the first item I ordered is this. And it's called, I've got my iPad at the side, it is called a Splicing Flower Dies, and it was $4.21, and I've got my tape measure. I've actually made a bit of a boo-boo with this order. So the largest flower is just over 2¼ inches, so if you don't do inches, 6½ centimetres. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, 6 centimetres. Yeah, 6 centimetres. And then the smallest one goes down to ½ inch, 1.5 centimetres. So can't wait, that looks lovely. So that was the Splicing Flower Dies. Next we've got, look at this beautiful butterfly. I did look at the size before I ordered it, but when it came I was like, wow, that's huge, that's lovely. I must have forgotten how big it was. Wow. This is, it just says butterfly and beautiful pattern decor dies, and this was $4.05, but it is huge. It's inches, wingtip to wingtip is 4¼ or 11 centimetres, and we'll do it from the antenna is 7 centimetres. 2¾ inches. So it's, look, you can see how big it is. It's lovely, can't wait to use that. Right, then the next one I got was a Poinsettia. Now, as a lot of you know, I don't really do Christmas, but I love the look of this, and I won't necessarily do it in Christmas colours, because you don't have to do you? But I just thought it was lovely. And this was $4.29. I don't know what that works out to in pounds, but that's sort of 2 inches. Oh, yeah, 2 inches, 5 centimetres for the big one. So that's lovely. So you've got 4 of the petals and a leaf and some berries. But they're lovely, they're good, strong, sturdy dies. I absolutely love Inloveartshop stuff. Right, next up we've got, let's see where it opens us there. Double layered circular scattering shape die. And this was $5.74. So you've got this one in the middle that, I mean, they just they just pop out like that, look. When I first started getting the dies that you have to pull out, I was really frightened to do it. I'm like, oh, do I need to cut it? I wasn't quite sure, but then I got a bit brave and I thought, if it breaks, it breaks, and they just come out ever so easy. You just sort of twist it. So we've got this one, what is it? Double layered circular scattering dies, $5.74. So this small one, oops, that's my tape measure gone. So that is just over 2¼ 6 centimetres, and then this one is 12 centimetres, 5 inches. So they're, you know, they're big. So that's lovely. $5.74. Right, we're almost at the one that I've made an error with. So this one is nesting stitched rectangular frame dies, $5.83, and there's 2, 4, 6, there's 8 dies there, and again they all just come out like that. Look, for anybody that's never had these sort of dies, that they're, I mean, like these ones, they'll all break off, but because they're just flowers, I will just put those in like that. There's no, well, I'm sure they'll cut like that. The other flower dies that I've got, they cut it okay like that, and if for some reason they don't, then I'll just excuse me, I'll just separate them. But look at that, how cute is that? Where's my tape measure? So the smallest one is, have I said the price? $5.83. 1.5 inches, 4 centimetres by 5 centimetres, just roughly, and 2 inches roughly by 4.25 by 11 centimetres, and then that way is 5.5 or 14. So again, they're, you know, they're quite big. I think that they are such good value, and you know, they're so strong and sturdy. $5.83. Now the last one, there's nothing, absolutely nothing wrong with it, but I thought, that's strange, they've sent me 2. I wonder why they've sent me 2. So I went back onto my order. No, it's not their fault, it's my fault. Somehow, I've no idea how, but there was 2 in the order box, and I, you know, I wouldn't have ordered 2 on purpose, so say I've made a bit of a boo-boo with my order. Never mind, can't be helped. I really don't know how that would have happened, but there we go. Look how big this is. So this one is, where's it gone? This is lace stackable Hexagon frame die, and it was just under $15 for the 2 for the 2 lots. So $7.50, something like that for the one set, and there's 2, 4, there's 6 dies there, and we'll go widest. So we got 6.25 inches, 16 centimetres roughly, 14 centimetres, 5.5 inches. So again, they're big dies, they're lovely. Oh, and then the smallest one. Smallest one was 8 centimetres, 3.25 inches by 3 and 7 centimetres roughly. So, you know, they're that big, look. They're that big. So thank you again ever so much, Inloveartshop. I really appreciate you asking me back again, and I can't wait to start using all this little lot. So it should be fun. I might mix it up with some of the other products that I've had from you before. So okay, thanks for watching everyone, and apologies to Inlovearts for my mistake of ordering 2. I really don't know how that had happened, but it has, so that's what it is. Okay, thank you, take care, speak to you soon, bye.